In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency Microsoft Access. Let's start by opening Microsoft Access and then opening the database file you want to work with. If this database is important or shared, it's a good idea to make a quick backup before changing field settings, just in case you need to roll back. Once the file is open, look at the left navigation pane and locate the table that stores your prices, costs, totals, or any other amounts. Instead of opening the table in Datasheet view, right-click the table name and choose Design View. Design View is where you control how each field behaves, including data types and formatting, which directly affects how numbers display and how calculations run throughout your database. In the design grid, click the field that holds monetary values. This might be something like price, amount, or total. With that field selected, find the data type column and change it to currency. This tells Access to store values in a fixed point money safe format, which helps avoid floating point rounding issues that can appear with standard number fields. If Access prompts you to confirm a data type change, review the warning and proceed only if the current data is compatible. If the field previously stored text, you may need to clean or convert those values first in a separate pass before changing the type. With the field still selected, look at the bottom pane for the format property. Set format to currency to display values using your computer's regional currency settings. That means the symbol, thousand separator, and decimal style will follow the region settings on your system. If your database will be used across different computers, remember that each user might see their local symbol when the format is set to currency, which is often desirable for location-aware apps. If you need the values to display with a specific symbol regardless of the computer's settings, you can choose a custom format here instead. Custom formats let you force a specific symbol, control separators, and even specify how negative values appear. Use this only if you want to override the regional default, for example when your organization standardizes on one currency. Before closing, save your changes so Access applies the new data type and format to the table. Forms and reports that inherit formatting from the table will pick up the change, though anything with its own formatting may need a quick review. That's it. Your field now stores money correctly and displays it with the currency style you've chosen.